Morning. Welcome back. Got a little snow. And our first truck of the day just pulled in. Rain! In the open area looks like about 9 to 10. In the areas against the building, it's more like 2 feet. Let's get our wheel loader, get the blade on, and get this truck loaded. Yeah, baby! 644D. D is for Dylan. Done some custom work to this machine. We just got it back. Had a footprint gas pedal installed. But other than that, she's still got a few leaks, but she's a good girl. Good girl. Really good. Still coming like a son of a gun. And where rain plowed, there's already an inch of snow. Lake effect, baby. There goes 55,000 pounds of onions. Quiet. It's a very rare sighting. It's a muck-booted snow dummy. He saw us. Run! Stand stuck. About 10:30, so there's about 4 hours of my life I will never get back. But job's done. Let's get the plow unhooked. Bob's been here hammering away, welding while we're pushing snow. 70-something-year-old man. Still kicking ass. see the step that we've made from the original height to the new height. And then where these cutouts are will be a wheel well where we'll have flat plate that'll lower the sprayer height another 6 inches. Yeah, still a lot more work to do on it, but it's coming along real good. Nice work, Bob. Our big purchase last week, we've been talking a lot about it this week. I've been in the office doing a lot of budgeting, using all my strongest skill sets. Not really, but doing it. We appreciate you watching. We'll see you next week.